living in tents in Westmoreland say they have been left traumatized after strong winds caused by the cold front swept through the parish. Kimberly Petty has their story.
Trust me, very hard.
That's how Ron Forrester described the past few days as he braved the cold front on the outside. Forrester and his spouse are holding up what's left of the tent they've called home since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. The couple returned home on Sunday to a flattened structure.
Sunday night it blew down. Yeah. So yesterday I have to just start, then we can get something up with the material we have here. Well, cold. Very cold. Still have in a jacket.
A neighbor has been helping them to put the tent back together, a process they describe as daunting.
I need to help because my tent blew down at this and it blew down Sunday night. See, that's how I sleep last night. I feel so dry it out, That's how it go.
So aren't you fearful that when the rain falls?
Well, we have to just give thanks to rain not fall, We have to just pray for it not fall. That's all we have to do, pray for it not fall, But if it fall, what we can do?
The Met Service on Tuesday advised that a trough across the Western Caribbean is expected to move across the island on Tuesday night and linger into Thursday. The weather system is expected to produce cloudy conditions with periods of showers and thunderstorms, which could become heavy at times over most northern parishes. And like the couple, residents living in tents are nervous, like 51-year-old Desmond Anglin.
The wind is blowing my tent, man. I want to mash it up. Do it one at a time. I'm never tied up now.
He is worried amid news that another cold front is expected by Friday and is not comforted by the advisory that it won't be as intense as the first.
But I don't know what I'm going with that one, That one, if you come with enough breathing, because I'll keep my tent gone.
We put the issue of safety to him as his tent is pitched along the roadside.
I'm not really afraid. I'm my community, so I'm not really afraid. But I want to go in my house.
The labourer, who said he finds odd jobs to do from time to time, told TVJ News that he opted to give his pregnant niece the room he started to rebuild as he braved the wind and rain outside. He said a lot of aid came to the community, but that he wasn't a recipient. But he is hoping that help will find him sooner than later.
I need some more garments to get back into my house. Some more material and them stuff.
He is waiting patiently on the recovery shelter program, where persons will get up to $500,000 to repair their roof.
No, nobody no come access me house yet. God, they look at money when they say I run 2 men have no TRN and no ID. I'm going to be old fisherman ID with me have. That's all I have, so no come from me yet, no money.
So what happened to the documents, really?
They gone in Melissa.
Anglin also pointed to his friend Omar Watson, popularly known as Morgan, who is in a similar situation. Mr. Watson suffered a stroke recently and was unable to speak to us on camera. However, he indicated that he wants to erect a tent he got recently, but that's been hampered by the strong winds. Since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, he's been sleeping in a dilapidated house that leaks when it rains. If you want to help Desmond Anglin, he can be reached at 876-283-1849. Rowan Forrester can also be contacted at 876-376-1751. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.